I'm Sabine Cockrill, the project coordinator for Helfa Gelf Art Trail, and we have our artists exhibiting at Plas Glyn-y-Weddw at the moment in the new exhibition, and we're really pleased to have been asked to exhibit in this fantastic venue, and we've got a kind of showcase exhibition of a cross-section of the artists taking part in the art trail in the venue. We've got 2D artists. We've got Lisa Carter, who's a fantastic artist. We have people doing very figurative work, Judith Penderton, wood carvers such as Sarah Berry. We've got jewellery makers, ceramicists, P. Restor, and Catherine Evans' work. So there's a very wide cross-section of the kind of artists that are taking part in the trail this year, and hopefully you can all come down to this venue. The 5th year we're running Helfa Gelf now, and it started off in Conway County, and we're now in Gwynedd, Conway, Denbighshire and Flintshire, so we're across North Wales, artists taking part. 170 artists this year, 125 studios taking part.